guys, okay, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, okay, will be very short and sweet. Okay, for today's episode, okay, for those of you who are subscribed to the channel, you should know that I have just changed a pair of exhausts, okay, last month. Alright, and the exhaust has clearly been neglected. Okay, there's rust here and there, and we are going to polish it. For those of you who do not know, okay, I used to ride motorcycles, and you know, as a biker, you know, you have to polish your stuff here and there, okay, all the chrome and everything. And I'm just so sick and tired of seeing my exhaust pipes, okay, which is very dirty. Okay, so we're going to run through with you, okay, some of the steps that, you know, I usually do, and actually we'll show you how we actually get it done. Okay, so without further ado, let's go! So guys, okay, that was the end of the clip. Okay, I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this episode. Okay, it wasn't very difficult if you ask me, okay, and I would say it's just maybe the most, okay, we took about half an hour to 45 minutes to get the whole thing done. Okay, so if you like this episode, remember to smash the like button. Okay, remember to subscribe, okay, and I'll see you on the next one. See you, bye bye.